What's up, my pyros? Got a little rack here. We're gonna be demoing some stuff here for you today, or tonight. Got some rockets for you. These are atomic explosion rockets by Astroboy. And what do we have behind it? We got some Anarchy 4-inch canister shells. We know what kind of reports these are, baby. These are the White Box 2023. So we're gonna send some up. I'll probably only do one of these guys here because I only got 4 of them. I've never actually lit these off before. First time I actually seen them, but we're gonna do a few of those guys. But we'll do one of these and have my custom little rocket launcher, and we'll just send up like 4 of those. We'll do one first, obviously, and then I'll use my 3D printed tees that I designed, and we'll light up maybe 4 or 5, and then we'll send those up. So we'll get to it. I'll see you right after this. All right, y'all. We have the Atomic Explosion Rocket by Astroboys here. This is gonna be the red top. So hopefully this stays. It's a little windy, but let's check this thing out. Nice. All right. Here we got the Anarchy white box. Nice report. Let's light this thing. Let's get it. Fuck yeah. Damn. Alright, we're doing 2 Anarchy big boy shells. Not big boy, they're 4-inch, but we'll see how they do. Damn. Fuck.